Hello teacher. Want to quickly and easily analyze your student data? Use the filter feature on Google Sheets to find the information you need in seconds. You can use the filter function to quickly create a list of students who were absent in a particular month or for scoring purposes. To filter the students who were present and absent in 1 week, follow these steps. Switch 1. Select the cells you want to filter. Here I will be selecting the range C2 to G11, then click the data option at the top of the page and select the create the filter option from the drop-down menu. This will add a filter menu to the top of each column in your selected range of cells. Step 2. Click the filter menu in the column you want to sort the options to. For example, I have sorted the data by cell color, denoting A as absent in red and P as present in green. Once you have set your filter criteria, the data in your selected cells will be filtered to only show the rows that match your criteria. In our case, it filters the data according to the cell color. That is, if I select red, it will show all the absent students, and if I select green, it will show the students who were present. You can also remove the filter criteria by clicking the data option and removing the filter. Teachers can also share filtered views with other teachers or students, making it easier for everyone to work with the same set of data and collaborate more effectively. For more such tech tips from InnerScore that can help teachers like yourself learn new skills, save time, and navigate the digital world, subscribe to our YouTube channel.